This is what nobody tells you about building a YouTube channel from scratch. Now, this video is not meant to encourage or discourage you. I'm just going to be telling you the simple truth. The first thing is you're not gonna get views, at least at first. This particular phase, I call it the lonely phase. This is the phase where you have to figure out things yourself. Even if you watch videos of other YouTube channels, you feel like whenever you do it, it gets bad, and then other people are doing the same thing and it's working for them. And honestly, the best thing to do in this lonely phase where you're not getting views is not to isolate yourself. You need to be around creators, at least creators like you, who are making efforts to meet the criteria for monetization. If you're interested in that, there's a community made up of small YouTubers that come together to brainstorm and help themselves to grow. The link is in the description if you want to be part of it. It is very important to note that at this phase, this lonely phase, you're not going to get support from family members. At first, it is just you and the reason why you decided to start. That is why it is very important to know your why. Like, you should always have it in mind, because this is going to be what will motivate you on days where you don't feel like showing up on the camera, or days where you are just so tired to edit. This will literally wake you up to lock in. And then it all boils down to this simple truth: there is a business to YouTube. Like, the creators that understand the business of YouTube are the ones that get results. This is the truth. You have to meet up to some criteria before the algorithm decides to show your videos to more people. I'm currently on a 100-day challenge where I post every day for 100 days, and I can tell you that the first 20 days I had no results. And moving on, I got to see the reason why the results were not there. It takes a lot of learning for you to know that there is a business to YouTube. Study the business and you get profits. This time we don't just do profits as in cash, but we see profits as views. And when you see a video getting views, check out the video. It probably checked one or two things and the algorithm decided to show it to more people. And you also need to remember that the reason why they might not be showing your videos to more people is because the algorithm does not trust you yet. Now they want to make sure that viewers are satisfied with what they watch on YouTube. When viewers show that they are really enjoying your videos, YouTube do not hesitate to push it out to them more, because they actually want to satisfy them. So instead of being discouraged that your videos are not being shown to people, we have to start asking the right questions. Why is it that people do not want to watch what I do? Is it because they don't find value in it? If it is entertainment, is it entertaining enough? What is the reason why they are not finding it interesting? When you start asking that questions, you stop going from blaming yourself for the algorithm to actually looking at what is going on or what is really happening on YouTube. At the end of the day, your video is of high quality when viewers like it, which means YouTube measures the quality of your video with the attitude of viewers when they see your video. Do they just swipe away? Do they stay to watch? Do they watch and watch again? Did they watch and stay on your channel and watch other videos? These habits of viewers are the triggers that make YouTube suggest your videos to more people. By the way, if you are figuring out whether or not you should hop on a 100-day challenge or 30 days or 60 days, depends on what you can do. You can subscribe so that you get to see the results I got after the challenge has ended. I created a special playlist for anyone who is interested in content creation or wants to make better videos to help retain the quality of their videos. You can check out this playlist. I update it weekly.